Get ready to experience pure audio bliss because the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here to silence your world like never before. From noisy commutes to bustling offices, their industry-leading noise cancellation melts away distractions, letting you dive deep into your music or podcasts. It's not just quiet, it's an immersive soundstage that truly elevates your listening experience to a premium level. And with an incredible 30-hour battery life, these wireless headphones are your perfect travel companion, lasting for days on a single charge. Switching from your laptop to your phone is absolutely seamless, thanks to the brilliant multipoint connection, making productivity a breeze. What sets the XM5S apart is this blend of unparalleled quiet, superior comfort, and smart features that genuinely improve your daily life. If you're looking to upgrade your audio game or find the best noise-canceling headphones to buy, these are absolutely worth the investment. Don't just take my word for it. Click the Amazon link in the description to check out the latest deals and grab your pair today. You'll discover crystal clear calls and stunning sound quality that makes every track pop. For anyone serious about their audio and peace, I highly recommend the Sony WH-1000XM5. You won't regret it.